Joint pain can turn even the simplest daily activities into a struggle. But what if I told you that the key to easing that discomfort might already be sitting in your pantry? Yes, baking soda, a humble household staple, could offer surprising benefits for your joints. Today, we'll explore creative and effective ways to use baking soda to help relieve joint pain, going deep into each method so you can find the right approach for your needs. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the classic baking soda and water drink. Dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it on an empty stomach. This mixture can help neutralize acidity in your body, which is often linked to inflammation, a primary cause of joint pain. By restoring a healthier pH balance, baking soda may ease swelling and stiffness. To make it even more effective, you could use warm water instead of cold, which promotes better digestion and absorption. Some people also like to add a pinch of sea salt for additional electrolyte support, especially if you've been sweating or dehydrated, as proper hydration is crucial for joint health. For a refreshing twist, you can enhance this drink with lemon juice. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into your baking soda solution for an added dose of vitamin C. The natural antioxidants in lemon juice work to fight oxidative stress, which is a known contributor to joint inflammation. This combination also supports collagen production, a vital protein for maintaining joint flexibility and cushioning. But do you still want to take it up a notch? Add a teaspoon of raw honey for a soothing, anti-inflammatory boost, or blend in cucumber slices and fresh mint leaves for a spa-like hydration experience. Now here's a clever idea for active individuals. A pre-workout baking soda drink. Before exercising, mix a small amount of baking soda with water to help neutralize lactic acid buildup during physical activity. Lactic acid can contribute to post-workout joint and muscle stiffness, so this little hack can make a noticeable difference. To amplify the effect, try combining the drink with coconut water for natural electrolytes, or adding a pinch of turmeric, a well-known anti-inflammatory spice that can further support joint health during and after exercise. Beyond drinks, baking soda also works wonders when applied directly to your skin. Start by creating a simple paste. Mix baking soda with just enough water to form a thick, spreadable consistency. Gently massage this paste onto the affected joint. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off. The paste not only soothes inflammation, but may also draw out toxins from the skin. For an even more effective topical treatment, mix the baking soda with aloe vera gel instead of water. Aloe vera has cooling and moisturizing properties that can enhance the soothing effect, especially for inflamed or tender areas. Adding a few drops of essential oils, like tea tree oil or eucalyptus, to the paste can provide antimicrobial benefits and additional pain relief. Another excellent option is to combine baking soda with coconut oil to create a joint relief rub. Coconut oil is naturally anti-inflammatory and moisturizing, so it pairs beautifully with baking soda for a nourishing, therapeutic massage balm. Apply it to your knees, elbows, or any sore joints, and gently rub it in circular motions to boost circulation and reduce stiffness. If you want to make this rub even more powerful, you could add a drop or two of lavender essential oil for relaxation or peppermint oil for a cooling sensation that eases pain. For a more immersive experience, consider a baking soda soak. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of baking soda in a basin of warm water and soak your hands or feet for 15 to 20 minutes. This method is perfect for targeting smaller joints like fingers, toes, or ankles. The warm water helps to relax tight muscles, while the baking soda reduces swelling and inflammation. For full body relief, draw a warm bath and add a cup of baking soda. Soak for 20 to 30 minutes to experience widespread relief from joint pain and muscle tension. For an added therapeutic boost, include Epsom salt in the mix. Epsom salt contains magnesium, which is excellent for relaxing muscles and reducing inflammation, creating a powerful combination when paired with baking soda. If you're dealing with acute pain in a specific joint, try a targeted soak. Fill a small bowl or basin with warm water, add baking soda, and immerse just the affected area, such as your elbow or ankle. This focused approach allows for more direct relief without the need for a full bath. Another innovative method is to combine baking soda with apple cider vinegar for a potent anti-inflammatory elixir. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. This drink is packed with alkalizing and detoxifying benefits, which can help reduce joint pain over time. The fizz might be surprising at first, but it's a sign that the ingredients are working together to support your body's natural healing processes. For a more hands-on approach, you can create a baking soda and honey wrap. Mix the two ingredients into a thick paste, spread it onto a cloth, and wrap it around the painful joint. Honey's natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties complement baking soda's alkalizing effects, creating a warm, soothing compress that's both gentle and effective. If you're a fan of turmeric, you'll love this one. Mix turmeric powder with baking soda and a little water to create a joint relief paste. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound celebrated for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. When combined with baking soda, it forms a dynamic duo that can be applied directly to swollen joints for quick relief. Even your tea can benefit from baking soda. Add a pinch of baking soda to a cup of ginger tea for an extra anti-inflammatory punch. Ginger is known for its ability to reduce pain and swelling, and baking soda helps to enhance these effects by alkalizing the body. This soothing drink is perfect for those cold mornings when your joints feel stiff. If you're looking for long-term benefits, consider incorporating baking soda into your daily routine. Start each day with a small dose of baking soda and water to keep inflammation at bay. Pair this with regular baking soda baths 2 to 3 times a week to maintain consistent relief from chronic joint pain. Before bed, a baking soda soak can be a game changer. Soaking your hands or feet in warm water mixed with baking soda not only helps relax stiff joints, but also promotes better sleep by calming your muscles and nerves. Finally, baking soda can even play a role in your diet. Use it to reduce the acidity in tomato-based dishes, which can trigger inflammation for some people. Just a small pinch of baking soda can neutralize the acid without altering the flavor of your meals. With all these methods, baking soda proves to be a versatile and affordable remedy for joint pain. Whether you're drinking it, soaking in it, or applying it to your skin, this simple ingredient has so much potential to improve your quality of life. Which method will you try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from these tips. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the 8 best foods for joint pain. Here's to healthier, happier joints.